Crime was a big focus at the Western Leadership Conference and constituency meeting hosted by the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Western Jamaica. Clergy leaders and government officials saw eye to eye on a number of issues as well as the way forward. More in this report.
Even inside church, the topic of crime rolls off tongues like godly choruses. As statistics continue to raise eyebrows, Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs Marlene Malahoo Fort said crime and violence are not the monsters in the society.
Our people, our brothers and sisters, sons and daughters, spouses too, with vile hearts and seared consciences, who devise evil and then carry out that evil in the most wicked way.
Speaking at a Seventh-day Adventist church event on Sunday, she added that ironically, data show that people committing despicable acts contrary to the laws of God
are people who are often present in the congregation. And so you interact with them in one way, and then you are almost surprised when their names are called in other things.
Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang said though policing isn't the only factor needed to resolve criminality, it is a critical component, and one church has agreed to help.
We have rented from the Seventh-day Adventist Church Camp Early. The government has challenged to train the required number of police officers. Twickenham Park, which is the government's primary training center, is there, and we can train X number. We have Harmon Barracks, but in order to achieve the number of police officers required, we had to expand, and one of the institutions we could look to, again, the Seventh-day Adventist was there to rescue us and help us.
Meanwhile, Pastor Dane Fletcher, Youth Ministries Director for the Jamaica Union Conference, agreed the issue of crime should not be political.
It is a social problem. Crime and violence doesn't look at your shirt if it is green or orange. It doesn't consider if you are Adventist, Baptist, or Catholic. It affects all of us.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.